Are you looking for a delicious and healthy meal that you can make in just 5 minutes? Look no further than the 5-minute Atkins meal. Introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Name, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy 5-minute Atkins meal. This meal is low carb, yummy, and can be made in just 5 minutes. Body. The 5-minute Atkins meal is a great way to get a healthy and delicious meal on the table in no time. It's perfect for busy weeknights or when you don't have a lot of time to cook. The meal consists of a protein, a vegetable, and a healthy fat. For the protein, you can use lean meats like chicken, turkey, or fish. For the vegetable, you can use any type of vegetable you like. For the healthy fat, you can use olive oil, avocado, or nuts. To make the meal, start by heating a pan over medium-high heat. Add the protein and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, or until it's cooked through. Then add the vegetables and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are tender. Finally, add the healthy fat and stir to combine. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy 5-minute Atkins meal. This meal is low carb, yummy, and can be made in just 5 minutes. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You'll get 2 videos every day for free. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.